From hero state trooper to disgraced former state trooper. That was the scene that was played out here at the Nassau County Court today. Thomas Mascia was prepared to admit that it was he who shot himself and not an unknown shooter, as he originally reported.
We're not here to celebrate his good work as an officer. We're here because he's suffering some significant mental illness.
The 27-year-old former officer showed up in court with his mother and father, prepared to accept a plea deal, admitting that he has been suffering mental issues for years. It was last October when Mascia claimed he was shot in the leg by a motorist he went to help on the Southern State Parkway. That triggered a multi-state manhunt for the assailant. Mascia received a hero's reception when he was released from the hospital. Holes were quickly punched in his story until it was determined there was no assailant. In court, the judge asked Mascia if he was in good mental health to take a guilty plea. Initially, he said no, which quickly changed to yes after conferring with his attorney. Out of caution, the judge pushed the plea deal to another date.
I'm not telling him to lie. I want him to tell the truth, and if he says that he's not feeling great mentally, again, it doesn't mean for a second that he's not able to knowingly and voluntarily take a guilty plea.
Mascia would not speak to reporters as he left court. He is charged with tampering with physical evidence, falsely reporting an incident, and official misconduct. His parents were also prepared to plead guilty to a charge of illegal gun possession found in their home. The family said they wore green in support of Mental Health Awareness Month. Mascia's lawyer said his client had hoped to get this all over today.
I don't know that I would say that he's disappointed. I think he's kind of numb and shocked from the whole. This is a tough thing to go through. I mean, this guy was a decorated officer, and now he's sitting here in the blink of an eye as a criminal defendant, and the press is chasing him down the street.
Mascia will be back in court on May 21st when his guilty plea will get him 6 months in jail, 5 years probation, and he'll have to pay almost $290,000 in restitution for expenses police encountered in trying to find the assailant that never existed. At the Nassau County Court, I'm Marvin Scott, Pix 11 News.